Hi, my name is Andrea Orest, Public Health Educator with Cook County Public Health. We are in the Public Health and Human Services lobby on the second level of the Cook County Courthouse. We have some harm reduction supplies available to the general public at no cost. Okay, so in the top drawer, each drawer is labeled, so we have sterile syringes, xylazine test strips, fentanyl test strips, and some information on xylazine wound care. So the sterile syringes are packaged in 10, and then it has some safe use information on the front. So sterile syringes are offered to help prevent disease among people who use substances. So if you are using a syringe that has been used before by yourself or someone else, the likelihood of spreading disease increases. So this is an opportunity for sterile syringes. The other supplies we have in here are xylazine test strips and fentanyl test strips. And they are packaged in sets, and each set comes with an instruction card and again the safe use information, and these are used to test the substance before a person would use it to tell if there is xylazine or fentanyl present in the substance that they're using. And then we also have information in here on xylazine wound care. When xylazine is present in a substance, it has the likelihood of creating this large wound potentially. So it talks about how you can recognize it and how to help care for it, and then, obviously seeking medical care, self-care steps. In the second drawer is the injectable naloxone kits and Narcan. The injectable naloxone kits come in 2-dose packs, and it has 2 sterile syringes, 2 vials of naloxone, and then an instruction sheet. The Narcan has 2 doses also, with an instruction sheet inside. Also in this drawer is a small pamphlet on recognizing an overdose, a very brief overview on how to help somebody if they are experiencing an overdose. For a complete training on naloxone or Narcan, we partner with Higher Ed. They offer a monthly training that is no cost. It's about an hour long, so you can sign up for those on Higher Ed's website. On the top of the cabinet, we have some safe use information. Never use alone flyer, which is a service that you can use if you are using a substance. They are on the phone with you, and if something happens, they can call 911 if they need to. And then my contact information. With the prevalence of fentanyl and opioids out in society, I think that the likelihood of coming across someone experiencing an overdose is just going to keep increasing. So it could be, you could be at a party, you could be at a restaurant, you could be at the park. It could happen to anyone, anytime. So carrying it is helpful, if you come across somebody. And the more naloxone or Narcan that's out in the community, the higher the likelihood that somebody's life could potentially be saved. So people are coming in and taking them, and people, they have been used in the community.